Hi, S7. I'm Mrs. Mallon. I'm a teacher of English at the Manor Academy. I've been here for 6 years now, and I can't wait to meet you as your new tutor. My legacy statement is she worked with kindness and respect to be the best that she could be. I personally love working at the Manor because of its community spirit. I know that everyone's on Team Manor and that we'll all pull together, especially when times are hard. I really love how passionate and hardworking the teaching staff are and how the children, the students really can feel that from us. I'm really looking forward to being your tutor and getting to know you all. I hope that I met some of you at transition too, so that you know me a little bit better and feel a bit more comfortable coming up. My email address is amber.mallon, MALLON, at themanor.ttct.co.uk in case you want to let me know of any worries or concerns you have coming up or want to ask any questions. I can't wait to meet you. I'll see you soon. Bye.